Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you roll mail how to address an envelope. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in roll mail and then tap on the roll mail app once you have located it, and then tap on the get button. And once it's downloaded, what you need to do is tap on open. And now here what you need to do is log into your account if you have, or if you don't have it, restart. Now once you are here, what you need to do is use the post and track feature, or just simply tap on track. And here what you need to do is you'll find an option that says send letters option in the app. Now once you tap on that, enter the recipient address, enter the full name, house number, street name, city or town, and postcode of the recipient. In the app you'll also be prompted to enter your return address, sender's address in the top left corner. The app will automatically calculate the postage based on the weight and size of your envelope or parcel. You can pay the postage directly through the app. After entering all the information, you can choose the postage label. If you are using roll mail click and drop service, you can print a label at home and stick it on the envelope. For delivery or collection, you will be directed to the nearest post office for sending. Once your envelope is addressed and stamped, you can either drop it off at the post office or arrange a collection using the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.